Hi everyone, welcome to a new episode. Today we are talking about Metamask, a recent vulnerability, and all the ways that you can easily avoid it. Before we get into that, please hit the like button, hit subscribe. Check out our CT Club. The link for that is down below in the video description. Not way down there, just a little bit down there. And where you can check out our classes, trade alerts, market updates, what we're doing with our cryptos and why. I'll be publishing a portfolio update every month very soon in the next coming days, as well as we did a live AMA on our Discord channel yesterday. It was really fun, so if you guys want to check that out, hit the link. Okay, so what happened with Metamask? But first and foremost, Metamask is a Web 3.0 wallet. So all the functions on your web browser, super convenient. It works with a lot of different blockchains. It's huge in the DeFi scene. That's why so many people use Metamask. It's probably why it gets so much critique and attention put on it. So it makes it all the better, right? Getting those attack vectors. New vulnerability. If you guys have been subbed to our channel for at least 2 years, you would have known my thoughts on Metamask. You'll also know probably that Toby uses Metamask, and that means there is a safe way to do it. This is compromise in marriage. So anyway, what happened with Metamask is there was a guy who was storing $650,000 worth of NFTs and cryptocurrencies on his Metamask account, and it was hacked. It was totally stolen from him because here's what happened. There is a default setting on Metamask. When you are creating a new wallet on Metamask, a new account on Metamask, at the default setting, this app data will be automatically backed up onto the iCloud. Now, this is for iPhone and Mac users. So you can disable that, but if you didn't disable it and you created a new wallet on Metamask, that data, when you set your password on Metamask, that is you encrypting it's called the Metamask vault, and that information is being sent to the iCloud. Do you know what iCloud means? It means somebody else's computer. That is no place for your seed phrase to be stored. Rant over. So basically, if your computer, if your phone is compromised, if someone is scamming you, is hacking you, you clicked on a faulty link, you used a weak password to encrypt your Metamask data, you can have everything stolen just like this guy. Now here's the solution. It's a really easy one. Use the hardware wallet. Create an account on a hardware wallet, whether it's Ledger or Trezor. Each of these both work with MetaMask, and store your coins on your hardware wallet and use MetaMask as the interface to interact with DeFi, if that's what you need a MetaMask for. So it is a really easy solution, especially for if you have any kind of investment in crypto and it's valued at like thousands of dollars, hundreds of thousands of dollars, millions of dollars, and you're not using a hardware wallet. It costs anywhere from like $65 up to $220 for the Trezor Model T. That's like the most expensive one of the common secure options. It's a really, really wise investment that will easily save you from something like this. Speaking of hardware wallets, if you guys want to know what my opinions are on Ledger versus Trezor, if you want to watch a tutorial on Ledgers or Trezors, check out the links down below. I also have affiliate links for Ledger and Trezor if you guys want to support this channel. And for Trezor, I have one that comes with a $25 voucher for Coinify, if you guys want to check that out. Now, for those of you who are hearing this and you're like, well, I'm sick of MetaMask. All these things that are going wrong with it, what else is out there? Please stick around because I will be covering in the next video in a few days all the other DeFi wallets out there. I've done some digging and you wouldn't believe some of my reactions to what is being advertised as a DeFi wallet. Lots of red flags out there. I'll be going over all of it. So stay tuned, hit the like button, hit subscribe with the bell notification so you get notified when that video comes out. My name's Heidi. This is Crypto Tips. Thanks for watching and see ya.